time to do the unboxing of the Bat Safe box, Lipo Safe charging box. So here we go. Let me put it that way. So removing some protective polystyrene corner here, and big reveal time. Ta-da! Hop, put it here. So that's the box. That's how it arrived, and that's how it's presented. The Bat Safe Lipo box protection for charging your battery, your drone battery, any drone battery, not only the Mavic, but also any other FPV drone that works as well. I took this model, which is the medium model, not the mini, the next on the line, not the huge one, so it's the medium model. I will give you some dimension in a bit. But here on the top, you see some venting holes. The nut cover, the venting holes, always latch the lid. That's the instruction right there on the top of the box. Here should be the slit to pass your cable. It's quite hard. I don't know if I can manage to pass some cable there. It's really not easy to put like a finger there, but we will see how it goes. Now let's open the box and see what they give me inside. Up, latch and unlatch very easily, like so. So it's spring loaded, so as soon as you open, it will spring back like so. Now, opening it. Ta-da! Okay. Inside the box we do have I believe that's the battery charger holder. That's some accessory that came with this safe box with some 3M Velcro system on the top. Let's put that on the side for now. And then we do have, of course, the user manual instruction here. And that's all for the content of the box. You can see the walls are actually very thick. So I like that better than the crappy bag that supposedly are anti-fire, and you can see all over YouTube that those bags just catch on fire anyway and don't protect much. So I like this metal box much better with this thick wall that should protect much better than the bags in case of a fire, of a battery fire. Let's close the box for now and give you some external view of it and dimension. So front of it you saw the latch, the top there is the vent holes with the big Bat Safe logo. On this side there is nothing. On this side here, there is like some kind of handle. It's like an elastic handle to carry it around, so that's great. On the back here, there is just the hinges for the lid. And in the bottom, there is a big caution sticker here that warns you about a few things. And some rubber feet here. So, here we go. That's for the external aspect of the box. As for the dimension, we do have the box itself outside is 12 inches for the length. Wide it's almost 9 inches, 8.75 inches, 8.75, and the depth here, or the height, it's 6.5 inches. Let's check the inside dimension. This space will be actually the one that you can use. All the outside dimension is just for the space that the box will take, but here is what you can actually use with your battery. And the medium box comes with a useful space of 9.5 inch here by 6.5, and deep it's 3.25 inch for the deep. So now you have a better idea of how much space you can have and use with this box. Now for the battery charger holder, let's have a look and see how it looks like. Okay, oops, I'm losing some part already. All right, so there is some foam here, protective foam here. And now this is supposed to be mounted here on the box, on the side somewhere here. I will have to double check how, but it's supposed to hold your charger here, and you pass the cable from the charger inside through this cable hole here. For now, let's have a look of the video that will show you how to install this charger holder to on the top of the BatSafe box. Let's go.